All right, this is a tutorial on how to set up your project files for RoarTV. So each week you're going to do new project, and that's going to bring up this new project box. We're concerned with name and location, not much else on there. So let's say this is a volleyball project. We would type in volleyball. Now, the second thing is click Browse, and we're going to go to SMAT Drive. So this would be sports. If it were news, you'd go to news. Let's say this is program 6. It could be 7, 8, or 9. Doesn't matter. And volleyball is already created, so that's fine. If not, we would select new folder. Once that's done, we hit OK. After the computer does a little bit of thinking, it's setting up the project files. This allows you to know where your project files are and where I can find them at. Okay, so here we have our editing screen. We're going to click on editing and make sure it's editing. If you get the black screen here, workspaces, reset to save layout, it brings it right back up. So here we are on our editing screen. First things we're going to do is we're going to import our media. So we're going to right click import. It brings up all kinds of files, but we're going to go to the SMAT drive and say this was program 6 video. We filmed on Sony 1, so we would select our video. We can change our view to see what it looks like. You're going to have to give it time for thumbnails to form. So let's say we want this cool footage right here. We would either select it, control select each one, or shift select to open. And that's going to import our files into Premiere Pro. It's also going to set them up so we can see them. Now, right now they're all gray, so if I click and drag, it's going to drag them all. I'm going to click here. I'm going to wait for my audio files to conform. Otherwise, the sound won't work. And so I'm going to click this one. I'm going to drag him over here to the sequence or the timeline. And you can see he's in here. Okay. That's pretty much the audio file. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's there. And we're going to save our project now. Say we're finished after we've edited. And then we're going to export our project. So we're going to go File, Export. We're going to make sure that this says H.264 because that's the format we export into. We're going to use output name. We're going to change that from the clip number to volleyball. And we're going to go find our volleyball folder again. RTV Sports, or SMAT Drive RTV Sports, Program 6, Volleyball, Save. Then we're going to click Export. Now, assuming you've done all your editing, trimming, brought in your titles and clips that you needed with your B-roll, this would be the last step you would need. Once this is finished, your project would be finished.